Hi guys, it's That Science Chick, and today I will be doing an Elmer's glitter glue unboxing video. And I'm here with my brother, viewers, brother. Now that that's settled, let's begin. We can open our box. We have the Elmer's Magical Liquid, which is activator in disguise. There's borate ions in this, so then when this mixes with the polyvinyl acetate and glue, it'll make slime. Blue for you, and reddish pinkish for me. Wow, it color coordinates with our spatulas. I didn't even realize it. And then we have another bottle of top. So the first thing that we need to do is make sure we have all our ingredients. We have our glue, check. Our magical liquid, check. Our container for mixing, check. Mixing utensil, check, check, check. Now, the first step is to pour all your glue into a container. So, take off our glue. Cap down. I'm just going to put it like right on the middle of the circle and let it come out. And then I'll squeeze it a little bit. This is really satisfying. Oh my goodness. Looks like slime already. I have this like sudden urge to stick my hand in it, but I know it'll come out all gooey and red, so I'll wait. The noise though. It means it's running out. This could take a while. Alright. Okay. While my glue is still coming and getting runny. Okay, I think that's about all the glue that we can get in. Now, we should take our Elmer's Magical Glue and do 2 capfuls. We have our activators, 1 capful, 2 capful. Now we have both of our capfuls, and we can add just a little bit more if it's still not becoming slime. But you ready? Now we mix. Mixing. And now, so I'm just gonna make sure I get it all together so the glue doesn't spread out too much. And make sure all our activator gets put together. So, it's all gooey all around my container. You gotta get it with the activators. And you can always put another thing of activator if you feel like it's still too gluey and it's not becoming slime. But you have to mix it. Make sure all of it gets together, because in the end of the day, you can have about just a tiny handful of slime out of 2 bottles because, well, it gets stuck at the bottom of the pan or bowl that you're using to mix. And now, I'm mixing. Yep, that's not ready yet. It's just getting glue on my hands for no reason. I think I'm going to put just a little bit more activator in, just a little bit, to get it a little bit more gluey and get it more slimy. See, I see yours is coming along. Yeah, it'll get there. And now we can mix. Oh, now it's coming. Now it's coming. There we go. It's like crazy, like gluey right now. It's extremely gluey. So we have to make sure all of our glue gets here. And it's just a process of making sure all your glue gets here. So I don't know. It's gotta mixing again. I'm mixing again.
This is taking
I'm
longer
mix-
than I thought.
And if it's taking longer, put another little cap.
Did you read it?
Yes, I did.
2 tablespoons. Not
Then that would be 4 caps. Little mistake on the reading, but we can keep going and everything will work out. And see, now it's starting to get really gluey and slimy. I think it might be a little overactivated. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep mixing. It's getting there now. It's slowly and gradually coming. It'll take a minute, but it's coming. Bit by bit, little by little, it'll come. Okay. I'm looking at the back of the bottle now and it says pour entire contents of bottle in bowl. I don't know if that's gonna help it, so I'm only gonna pour like half maybe. I'm not gonna pour all of it because I don't know, that might make it too overactivated. And I don't know, these people might be playing with overactivated slime. I don't know how they do. So,
I put way too much, I think.
okay, it's coming. Oh yeah, there we go. It's droopy, but it's getting here. It's a whole mess of stuff. And eventually you just keep, now it's like sticking to my spatula. It's sticking to my spatula, but not sticking. And I'm just going to use my hands. I'm going for it, getting messy, taking risks. And it'll eventually get there.
It's cold.
Yes, it is really cold. Ugh. I'm probably going to have a lot less slime than I started off with because most of it's on my hands. It's going to be on my hands, mostly. I think I might have overactivated. I put a lot of this in it. But,
I'm gonna just pour the whole bottle into that.
do it. That's what it said. I just didn't want to overactivate it, but at this point, we have no choice. Okay, here we go. We're coming along fine. We're coming. Sticky mess, the sticky mess of slime.
Yeah, I overreacted mine.
No, you just gotta play with it now. So like this, slime, and now mine's turning into this good old little substance. This good old gooey mixture. Because I poured half my bottle in here, so probably a little overactivated, and I still have a lot left in my bowl. So I'm gonna have to go in there and get that. It's like really sticky, so see, I don't know how some people do it. And that was fun. I think this was pretty fun. We got partially what we're doing. So that's all for today. Bye for now.